Hello students, I am Surbhi Gupta and today we will discuss some of the questions of congruent triangles of class 9. So let's start with the topic. The first question given to us is, this is a triangle and in this triangle it is given that BE and CF are the altitudes. What is given to us? That BE and CF are the altitudes. This is given to us. One more thing given to us is BE equals to CF. That is, this is equals to this. This BE is equal to CF. This is given to us. And what we have to prove? We have to prove that this is an isosceles triangle with the help of RHS property. What do you mean by isosceles triangle? That means we have to prove AB is equals to AC. This we have to prove here. AB is equals to AC we have to prove with the help of which property? RHS property. With the help of RHS property we have to do the proof. Like in proof there must be a RHS property showing, right? So we have to prove AB is equals to AC. This we have to prove. So I already told you whatever is given in the question and whatever we have to prove, we have to write side by side that in the question so that there will be no mistake while solving it. Okay, so let's start with the proof. Let's take two triangles in triangle BFC and triangle CEB. So I am taking two triangles in triangle BFC and triangle CEB. BFC, CEB. These two triangles I am taking. Now we know BE is equal to CF. This is given to us. BE, CF given to us. So I have write it down. Next thing, both the triangles are on the base BC. They are on the same base. So can I write BC equal to BC common? Right? Because both are having on the same base. Both triangles lie on the same base. So BC equals to BC common. What is the next thing? You easily notice this angle and this angle is 90 degree in both the triangles. So can I write angle BEC and angle CFB equals to 90 degree? Angle BEC, this is we have to take these two triangles in triangle BEC and CFB. We are taking these two triangles BEC and CFB, right? So angle BEC is equal to angle CFB, each 90 degree. Now clear? These three things. Now look carefully. This is one angle, this is one side and this is another side. So two sides and one angle is equal. What is the side? This is a right angle, this is the hypotenuse and this is one side. Right angle hypotenuse side. So by RHS property, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CFB by RHS property. So these triangles are congruent by RHS, which we have to prove. Now look carefully. If these both triangles are congruent, then their angles and their sides are also congruent. congruent part of congruent triangles. We do that CPCT. So can I write this angle, this whole angle B is equal to angle C? Right? In triangle BEC, this angle C, and in triangle CFB, this angle B. Both angle B and angle C are equal. I'll write on the top by CPCT. Angle B is equals to angle C by CPCT. Now, if both the angles are equal, then the sides opposite to them are also equal. So, what is this side of angle B? AB. Opposite side of angle C, AC. Therefore, AB equals to AC. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Because, don't forget to write the reason. Because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore, AB is equals to AC, hence proved. Let's do the another question. In question number 2, a figure is given to you like this. A, P, B, C, and this is a altitude given. What is given to you in this figure? In this figure it is given AB is equals to AC. That means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. What is given? AB is equals to AC. This is given to us. What else is given? That AP is perpendicular to BC. If AP is perpendicular to BC, that means angle APB equals to angle APC 90 degree. This angle and this angle is 90 degree because this is perpendicular to BC. What we have to prove? We have to prove angle B is equals to angle C with the help of RHS property. We have to prove with the help of RHS property. So let's start with the proof. In triangle ABP and triangle ACP, in triangle ABP and triangle ACP, we know AB is equals to AC. Given AB is equals to AC, this is given to us, so we have write it down. In both triangles, AP common. AP equals to AP common because it lies in both the triangles. One more thing, this angle equals to this angle 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Now look carefully. Hypotenuse, side, and this is a 90 degree angle, right angle. So triangle ABP congruent to triangle ACP with the help of RHS property. If both are congruent with the help of RHS, that means their angles are also equal. Can we say with the help of CPCT? Right? So can I say angle B is equals to angle C by CPCT, congruent part of congruent triangles. So in this way you can solve a number of questions. Thank you very much.